Hello everyone, I am Engineer Abdulrahman Hawari from Libyan State, North Africa. Now we have example number 9 in machine design of gears. Okay, a spur per unit of Z1 equal 20 teeth matched with a gear Z2 40 teeth. If a module is equal 4 mm and alpha is equal 20, calculate. Number 1, the length of path of receive E1, the length of path of approach E2, length of path of contact E alpha, the length of arc of contact J alpha, the contact ratio epsilon alpha. Now, given data, we have Z1 is equal 20 teeth and Z2 is equal 40 teeth. Okay, and alpha naught is equal 20 degree and the module is equal 4 millimeter. Okay, now we must start. We get D is equal, D1 is equal the circle pitch diameter of the gear number 1 is equal M Z1 is equal M is 4 multiplied by 20 is equal 80 millimeter. Okay, D2 is equal M Z2 is equal 4 multiplied by 40, 160 millimeter. Okay, now we need the base circle DB1 is equal MZ1 cosine alpha naught. MZ1 is G is equal 80 millimeter, so 80 millimeter multiplied by cosine 20 is equal 80 multiplied by cosine 20 is equal 75.175 millimeter. Okay, dP2 is the base diameter of the gear number 2 is M Z2 cosine alpha naught is equal 160 multiplied by cosine 20 is equal, of course, this is double of this. Okay, 160 multiplied by cosine 20 is equal 150.35 millimeter. Okay, now we must have addendum circle diameter for each gear. DA1 is equal MZ1 plus 2M is equal MZ1 is 80 plus 2M is 2 multiplied by M4 8 by plus 80 88 millimeter. Okay, GA2 would be MZ2 plus 2M, it will be 160, 2 multiplied by 4, it would be 160, 168 millimeter. Now we have the data. Now we need the length of base. We need the length of base overseas E1. So E1 is equal half square root of GA1 square minus dB1 square minus d1 divided by 2 sine alpha naught. Now E1 is equal half square root of dA1 is 88 square minus 75.175 whole square and the square root minus d1 80 divided by 2 sine 20. Okay, so E1 is equal 88 square minus 75.175 square is equal under root equal divide by 2, okay, minus 40 sine 20 is equal 9.19, okay, millimeter. Now this is the length of the base of species. Okay, now we need number 2, the length of path of approach. Okay, it will be E2 is equal half square root of dA2 square minus dB square minus d2 divided by 2 sine alpha naught. Okay, so E2 will be half of dA 168 square minus dB2, of course. dB2 will be 150.35 all square minus d2 is equal 160 divided by 2 means 80 sine 20. Okay, let's calculate this one. So it would be 10.12 millimeter. Okay, now what we need more, number 3, we need okay, now we need number 3, the length of path of contact. Okay, length of path of contact, okay, E alpha is equal E1 plus E2. So E alpha is equal 1 is 9.19 plus 10.12 plus 9.19 to be equal 19.30 millimeter. Okay, now number 4, the length of arc of contact. The length of arc of contact, J alpha, will be E alpha divided by cosine alpha naught. Okay, so it will be 19.30 divided by cosine 20. It will be 20. It will be 20.54. Okay, 20.55 millimeter. Okay, now what he need more? He need the contact ratio. Okay, the contact ratio. Contact ratio, we'll find contact. He needs the contact ratio. Contact ratio, epsilon alpha is V J alpha divided by pi m. Okay, so it will be J alpha 20.55 divided by pi multiplied by 4. So divide by 12.4 divide divided by 4. It will be 1.64. This is a contact ratio. And contact ratio, the most important parameter, would be 1.64. Thank you very much.